me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am finally back with a video that's not a vlog and where I could actually do my makeup. I don't have any lashes on because I can't find them, but as you can see with the title today, I am doing a haul. Y'all know Zara had their semi-annual sale. We're like, really? That's when you should, because Zara prices be a little, yeah. But I picked up a bunch of stuff, so if you guys want to see what that looks like on, then let's go. So these are the first two things that I've got. First up is this bodysuit, and y'all don't understand. I was waiting, because you know how they have stuff on the site where it's on the site, but like it's not available yet. Either it hasn't come to the site yet or it's out of stock, that type thing. I have been waiting for this to come in stock. It finally did. So I got this bodysuit in a extra small, and this was $35.9. Well, that's the price without the sale. I don't know how much it was with it. And then I got this skirt, which has been on there, but like it's supposed to go together. And I got this in a small, and this is $39.90. And you know what? She was worth the wait, okay? She was worth the wait. Look at this outfit together. Now, mind you, I did just take everything off the moving truck, so it's very wrinkled, but like once this is steam type thing, I am here for this look. The crazy thing is this bodysuit, I told y'all is an extra small, and she's still giving just a tad bit baggy with this, but that's okay. The skirt, it's a pretty, you know, tight enough fit, but you know, I feel like if I were to gain back all the weight that I just lost because of this move, like it would still be a nice fit. So I would say, you know, pretty much true to size. Now I did, y'all know I usually don't like even having to go through taking the bra off, putting it back on depending on the look, but for some reason I took it off for this one. The cups in the bodysuit aren't doing much actual cupping, so I would probably still wear like a strapless bra with this one, but like I feel like you're good enough, right? Like you're not gonna fall out of it, but listen, I just gotta find somewhere to go. Y'all know I'm new here, I don't know anywhere, but as soon as I do, oh yeah, I'm wearing this one. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but there's a split in the front of the skirt. So next I've got this dress. Y'all know your girl loves her some color. This is in a small. It's just, you know, real simple, gonna be cute for the summer. And this was this is $39.90. So this is what it looks like. I'm showing y'all with its sleeves down, but y'all know I prefer to wear things with the sleeves up. If you use me as a size reference, if they have an extra small, I'd probably go with the extra small. Like I feel like it fits fine, but you know, if you like a little more tightness to you and they have it, why not go ahead. This is a cute color. First of all, y'all know your girl loves her some color, so we had to do it. But just real simple, you know, they're on some heels, maybe even throw on some sneakers, depends on what you're going for there, and just have a real simple day out this summer. I'm here for it. I'm telling y'all, Zara, they don't miss. At least with the hauls I've done so far, they really miss. And look at that. Even more color. I believe this is a matching, yeah, it's a matching set. So the first one is this skirt. That is a small, should be a small, and this is $45.90. I mean, the material feels real nice on this one. And then the top is a small as well. It's an extra small, and this is $49.90. So this is what it looks like, and I feel like one thing we have to do is admit that one thing I am going to do is make the rainbow look good. I mean, hello, you are welcome for the free promo rainbow. Yes, I'm talking to the actual rainbow. But this is what it looks like on. The color is fire, okay? Now again, two-piece set. Can wear it kind of like tucked in because of how high up the skirt goes. So you can wear it, you know, kind of tucked in like this, but you can also just wear it like, you know, just straight over like that. I kind of liked it tucked in a little bit more. One thing I will say, your top, no issues with this. Again, probably wear like a strapless bra with this. The skirt is kind of, actually probably a little bit more for my hippie people out there. And y'all know I ain't got the biggest hips out there, but you know, they go out like that, right? So if you also have that, think carefully with this one, because you might not be able to bend over in this skirt. Like, I feel like, you know, if I bend over, yeah, everyone go see what color drawers I have on, because when you're zipping up the skirt, you gotta pretty much pull it all the way up here so you can do that. And then when you start pulling it back down after you zip it, like that's how far down it's going to go. So like it's really sitting, especially if also you have something back there, it's pretty much sitting there. So when you bend over, it's like nothing but air down there. So that's just something to keep in mind, but you know, obviously something I would still wear. The color though. So the next things I got are 3 pieces that I was thinking outfit. Leah J made me want to check out Zara's blazer section. So I got this blazer in an extra small. I usually don't like blazers just because I feel like I am swimming in them when I wear them. I got this in an extra small. This is $69.90. I got it in this bomb green color, favorite color. I got this white tank top, which I really need to start reading the descriptions of things when I buy them, because this material, like you're not wearing this in the winter and in the summer, but you know, for a nice quick little outing, I feel like it won't be a problem. It's just throwing a whole bunch of different textures together in this outfit. But this is a small, this was $12.90, and then I got these shorts in a 36 and they are $35.90. Like, hello, it's a moment, right? I'm thinking the blazer on the shoulders, like just that one pop of color, right? And of course you can stick your hands. Ooh. Okay, hold on. Oh, here we go. And of course, you can actually wear it. And even like this, I'm just here for this. This is a nice fitting blazer on me. Granted, I had to get the extra small. And again, no, I don't like sleeves down. So it actually comes with little things so you can hang up the sleeves. I'm all the way here for this. Zara just, they don't get it wrong. Or maybe the things that I pick, I don't get wrong. I really have just been standing here going like this, looking at myself in the camera. I like it. Cute little heels. All right, so the next thing I just have the top. I don't have pants to try them on, so I'm probably just gonna try it on with these shorts. I wouldn't wear it that way, but it is this top, and I'm pretty sure that this is supposed to be like Zara's version of a set that you can get from Cult Gaia. I think that's who it was. There's a matching bottom that goes with this, but I was like, that's just a little too much for me, but I'm gonna just get the top. I saw a peach, like salmon set on Cult Gaia that I wanted, and I thought about it, and I was like, I don't know, that I saw this, and I was like, and it's green. I was like, see, that's a sign. So I got this in an extra small, and this is $49.90. Like, hello, tell me that this top is not a dramatic moment. But you know what? Those are good to have. And then you put your hands down and just kind of fans out like that. Listen, I might actually have to go back and get the pants. Still not sure if I would wear them together, but I might just need the pants just so I have the pants. This is what the back of it looks like. Definitely might want boob tape with this, just because I can quickly see, you know what I'm saying, like a moment where you move a certain way. So just make sure like the top is stuck to you, so even if you do move, like no one's going to see anything. But hello, I'm gonna have to wear this real soon. And it's green, so y'all already know that's probably making me like it a little bit more, but no misses. So next up, I've got these two to wear together, and you know, of course I can wear them with other things as well, but this, I believe, high slit skirt in a small is $49.90, and then this green top is probably an extra small, and it's $49.90. And this is what it looks like. I thought it was a side slit, but it's a front slit. I mean, you probably could scoot this over a little bit if you wanted to, but this is fine to me. I like this color. Probably do a little color blocking with this. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. But yeah, real simple. It's giving vacation. It's giving date night. It's giving whatever you want to give. So you can see how far down it goes. Colors, hello. Sizing is just chef's kiss. Okay, we are almost done. Next up, I think this is actually a bathing suit. I don't know, but I'm gonna wear it like it's a bodysuit. It is this here. I'm gonna figure out, I feel like tying is gonna be a pain. This is in a small, it was $25.90. And then I got this skirt to go with it, because I feel like it's matching the orange in it, right? Yeah. And this is a probably small, and this was $19.90. Y'all, I swear life be trying me. I forgot I had a shipped, is that what it's called? Shipped delivery at this time. So I got the phone call that she's outside, and I'm like, I don't have enough time to switch anything else. So I had to go down and get it dressed like this. I mean, it looks good, right? But where am I going dressed like this at noon-ish? Still has the tags on it. It'd be trying me. But this is what it looks like together. And see, like the visions just be doing what they have to do. This is what it looks like all the way around and how far down it goes. It's not like all the way to my ankles, but it stops, I don't know, like mid-calf-ish, I guess, I don't know. But yeah, I like it. I like this together. It's cute. All of this is giving very much summer vibes. I know we had to go in with colors. You could wear this as a bathing suit, because I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But I'm going to be wearing this tied around like this in this set together. And then the last thing that I have to try on is this oversized dress that I got in a small, and this was $35.90. Yeah, just real simple oversized dress. I was thinking maybe white booties, white knee-high boots to go with this. Cute little bag, sunnies, real simple, easy summer outfit. We'll see where I go. Oh, this is what it looks like all the way around. We'll see where I go with this one. Make sure you're following me on Instagram, because now that the stressful part of moving is over, I'm really about to go ham with content on like all my platforms. So if you want to see what these outfits look on, you know, like steamed, not wrinkled, accessorized, all that all together, make sure you follow me over there. This was the last thing I had to try on, and once again, no misses from any of my Zara orders. So that was the last thing that I had to show you guys. I don't know, is the sale still going on? I feel like I don't know what's going on anymore, because everything's been so like move lately. The sale might still be going on. Everything I tried on will be linked in the description down below. Let me know if you picked anything up, because you know I could always double back, go see what they've got. But yeah, let me know all that in the comments down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Yeah.